Tube charge review, demo, and $2,727 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my tube charge review. Now this software will save you hundreds of hours of work. It will get you dozens, if not hundreds, Google page one positions and all the free traffic that comes with it, and all you need is one simple video. Okay, so what the software does is it takes this one video and it uploads it for you multiple times across multiple channels with multiple keywords. It's spinned multiple times and you can even add it to multiple playlists. So essentially you don't have to be uploading videos one after one after one. So dozens of page one rankings, thousands of clicks in free traffic, and obviously this works in any niche. So let me share my screen with you and let's go through the sales page. I'm going to do a little demo. I'm going to show you the members area, and I have some exclusive custom bonuses worth almost $3,000. So let's jump into it. So as you can see, the sales page says, are you tired of the old slow way of marketing with video? New web app automatically claims dozens of page one rankings simultaneously in 48 hours or less with mass video creation, mass video uploading, and automatic optimization. Yep, we're talking about page one video rankings in bulk, with no previous skills or experience required, and our step-by-step fill-in-the-blank software automates 95% of the entire process. So again, all you're gonna need is just one video, and then this software will upload it for you. It will rank dozens of times, so it's the same video but just for different keywords. It will automatically turn one video into dozens using their unique spinner, automatically optimize all of these videos, automatically upload all of these videos, and also automatically create playlists. And for a limited time only during the launch period, you're gonna get the agency rights, which means that you can use this software to sell a service for your clients. Okay, so this is super powerful, and the agency rights alone is worth something like $497. Okay, so let's scroll down. Obviously the old way of doing marketing is boring. So you find a keyword, you create a video for that keyword, you optimize, you wait, and then you start all over. Now with this piece of software, you don't have to start all over because you can use the same video dozens of times. Okay, so these guys obviously have some major proof behind it, both traffic proof and ranking proof and income proof. So tube charge, again, this is the name of this product, and again, this is my tube charge review. They're gonna have a little demo right here, and I'm going to have a full demo, a part of this review video, both on my blog and on my YouTube channel, so check it out. Again, 3 steps is you're gonna log into the web app, then you're gonna fill out the simple video optimization template, and then configure the video settings, and that's it. The upload is done for you automatically. So when it comes to pricing, we're gonna talk about that in the end of this video, but you're gonna get the agency license included with the main product, which is huge. Some free bonuses, so again, agency rights to tube charge, automatic playlist creation feature, then a live client attraction bonus training, pre-made niche video pack, and hands-on live training session for tube charge. So I'm going to show you all of the bonuses and the differences between the bonuses that some affiliates offer and that I offer, because I offer much more bonuses. Obviously we have a 30 days money back guarantee. That's essentially it. You can go through this in your own time, but right now I wanted to show you the inside of the members area, and you are actually getting 2 members areas, one for the video training and the other one for the app itself, for the software. So as you can see, this is for the video training. You have the introduction, you're gonna have to register the app, then we have API and YouTube account setup, YouTube account creation if you're brand new to YouTube channel, and G+ optimization, creating video titles, description and tags, creating videos, thumbnails, uploading the videos, tube charge for e-commerce, video niche pack bonus, rank and rent methods bonus, clickbank affiliate method bonus, and also gatekeeper killer bonus. So keep in mind, this is for people that are brand new, that have no idea where to start, how to do YouTube, etc. So if you're one of these persons that never tried YouTube, you have all the step-by-step over-the-shoulder video training, so you can start creating videos immediately. There are other ways, obviously, of using other people's videos. You don't have to film your face if you don't have to, all that good stuff. But if you already know how to work with YouTube, then obviously the app is where it gets interesting. Okay, so let me show you the app right now. As you can see, you're gonna log into your channel. Now, I can't do a full demo right now because you have to upload your video, and that takes like a few minutes. So right now, I'm just going to go through all of the settings, and I'm going to have a full demo again, both on my blog. So if you're watching on my blog, right below this video you're going to see the demo, and on my YouTube channel. So right after this video I'm going to upload the full demo so you can check it out. So you're going to log into your channel, so this way your YouTube channel will be linked up with TubeCharge. Then you can manage your account right here. You can show schedules, because you can schedule all the videos, so you don't have to do it all at once. You know, you can set it up so you just have one video and it will be uploaded once per day for however many days you want. Then we have the spinner. Now this is the most exciting part about it. Essentially, you can upload the same video up to 30 times. Then obviously, you know, we have the spinner rate, so each video will need to be spinned. So YouTube has an algorithm that forbids you to do this manually. So if you'd like to upload the same video twice, YouTube will detect it, and they will say this is a duplicate video, duplicate content, you can't upload it. But with this spinner, you can do it. The video will be spinned, and this is just essentially, you have the values between 100 and 500. They recommend starting at 250. So essentially you're just spinning your video, and then you just have to upload the video file right here, and then you're done. You have two more screens after this, so obviously adding the keywords and the description and then the playlist, and then you're done. Your video will be automatically uploaded to multiple channels with multiple keywords and generating you free traffic from multiple sources, all passive. Super exciting. And obviously, you know, you can do this for yourself, you can do this for your clients, you can do this in any niche, and generate just dozens of page one rankings this way. Okay, so again, check out the full demo, and right now let's go through the pricing and all the funnel options. Okay, so as you can see, the main product will be $34.95, but that's the early bird price. After the initial launch period, this will be $67. Now it's a little bit more expensive, but just keep in mind how many hours of work can you save, and how much more traffic can you generate with just one piece of software that automates this whole thing for you. So $34.95, that's the early bird price, and the price will be going up $10 per day until it reaches $67. Okay, then we have OTO number one, $37 per month or $47 per quarter with a $1 trial. I'm going to show you exactly what all of these OTOs are in a second, but right now I just wanted to go through the pricing. Then OTO number two, $67, then OTO number three, $47, and then OTO number four, $37. And right here on my blog, you're gonna have all the funnel explained in text. Okay, so as you can see, OTO number one is TubeCharger Plus, and this upgrade unlocks additional software power and much more automation. You'll be able to increase the number of videos you can spin, but that's not it. You can also increase the number of videos you can optimize, upload, plus the number of YouTube channels you can connect. So the same, but just more powerful if you want to take massive action with more than one channel. Okay. OTO number two, we got one-click silo air. In this upgrade, you will be able to supercharge your campaigns by unlocking a super exclusive sileware system, and with it your campaigns get put through a unique proprietary link wheel system, which means that your campaign will carry a much stronger punch. So just additional link juice, backlinks in a link wheel, super strong. Okay, so that's for much more SEO power. OTO number three, we got done for you sweet syndication, this powerful upgrade platform where you will be able to get mass video syndication to all of your campaigns. At this point, everything will be done for you. So social syndication is the glue that sticks your videos on the first page of Google and YouTube long term. So again, that will be $47. And we have the thumbnail rocket, OTO number four, Obviously, you can create thumbnails in a bunch of different ways, but if you want to have everything included, including thumbnails, that will be $37. So again, all of these OTOs are optional, and you'll be fine with the main product alone. But if you want the additional features, or maybe the thumbnail rocket, or maybe the syndication, or the link wheel, then by all means you can think about picking up one of these upsells a part of the main product. Now let me show you my bonuses, because this is where it gets exciting. And let me just mention, most affiliates that will promote this will send you this page. Now this is the bonus page that Joshua, the guy behind the product, essentially created for affiliates, and on this page they are mentioning some bonuses. So when it comes to my bonuses, you're gonna get all of these bonuses plus much more. Okay, so these are the 5 bonuses that you're gonna get anyways. Okay, so these will be, it doesn't matter whose link you are using, you're always gonna get the agency rights, you're always gonna get the automatic playlist creation feature, the live content attraction bonus training, pre-made niche video pack, and hands-on live training. Okay, so these 5 bonuses you're always gonna get no matter whose link you are using. Now I'm going to add additional bonuses on top of all of this. So obviously I'm going to give you these 5, plus I'm going to give you a super custom software bonus. This is software for YouTube, and this is something that I'm actually selling as an OTO to my own YouTube softwares, and this is a YouTube video description software that creates SEO optimized descriptions for your videos. Okay, so this is a piece of software. Again, normally I'm selling it for $37 to $47. You're getting this piece of software for free, but I'm not done, because I'm also going to give you free stock music. Okay, so obviously you're gonna need music for your videos, but not just any music. You don't want to be demonetized, you want to get royalty free music, and I'm going to give you a bunch of different tracks that you can use. So stock music, and on top of all that, I'm not done. I have much more to go. I'm going to give you free resellers licenses to my own products, including Instavid, including Traffic Trapper 2.0, and including Traffic Extractor Ultimate. Okay, so each and every single one of these on its own will cost you $97, and they still sell right now, and you're getting all free, again for free, as a part of this bonus. But I'm not done, because I'm also going to give you 5 done for you affiliate marketing campaigns, and again this is something that I sell as an OTO to my own products. You're getting this for free. I'm going to give you some exclusive software and plugins, so WP Video, Viral Click, Advantage, Affiliate Advantage, and Image Plus, and also these 9 plugins and software. So Affiliate Advantage plugin, Gen plugin, Biz, sales page writing software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Tags, I Ask, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Shortcode Call to Action. Now, so far you get 24 bonuses worth $1,227, and on top of all of this, you're getting my mega bonus. And my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. As you can see, there are a wide range of value right here, but the total value is $1,500, and you're getting all of this for free on top of the bonuses that I just mentioned. And the total worth of this package is $2,727. So you're getting all of this value, including the custom bonuses, including resellers licenses, including software, all of this for free, just as a thank you for picking up Tube Charge through my link. And Tube Charge will be going live on October 2nd at 11 AM Eastern, and again, make sure to show up early to grab it with an early bird discount. The price will be going up fast, $10 a day, and then ultimately it will be $67. Now, I'm going to do what no one else is willing to do. I'm going to give you discount codes. Okay, so these are the discount codes that affiliates are using on the 2nd day, on the 3rd day. I'm going to give them to you right now, but keep in mind, even with these discount codes, you will still pay more comparing to the early bird price. That's why it's imperative to just get it as soon as it goes live, because you can get it for the lowest price possible, and it will be a one-time price. Okay, but if you won't make it, then on the 3rd of October the price goes up by 10, but you can get $5 off. You have the discount code right here on my blog, so check it out. And then on the 4th of October, you're gonna get a $7 discount, but the price will be going up by 10 again, so a total of $20. And then on the 6th of October, all bonuses expires, all coupons expire, and the price will be going up to $67. So make sure to show up super early for the early bird discount so you can get it for the lowest price possible. If you don't make it, I still have the discount codes for you, but keep in mind, even with the discount codes, again, you're gonna be paying a little bit more comparing to the early bird price, and the early bird price is super low. Just think about hundreds of hours of work that you can save and get it. Just think about these multiple page one ranking and all the free traffic that you're gonna get from it from multiple keywords. Okay, so this is a must-have software for anyone needing traffic, anyone wanting to do video marketing, anyone wanting to do SEO on Google, just anyone wanting to make money online. So guys, I'm super excited for this one. Make sure to pick it up from my link to get all the bonuses that I just showed you. And again, we're gonna be going live on October 2nd at 11 a.m. Eastern. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment on my blog or on my YouTube channel right here below. Please give it a like on YouTube. I really appreciate it. Obviously subscribe, and I will be seeing you very shortly in the next video. So ciao.